Hey guys, so today we have received here this letter in the mail, our first safety recall number 28B for our Dodge Hornet. And the long story short about the content of this letter is that you can either do this repair by yourself or you can contact your Dodge dealership. So there is a sticker on the driver's side B-pillar that indicates the maximum load of the vehicle. And so the value that is on there at the moment when the vehicle comes out of the factory is wrong. So the value there is too high. So, and now depending on which engine you have, so if you have the combustion engine or if you have the hybrid electric vehicle engine, depending on which engine you have, there has to be a different sticker on there. So now these are the instructions on how to do this replacement yourself, and also the envelope also includes this new sticker. So this wasn't really quite obvious to me because I didn't really see the sticker at the beginning. So first I thought I have to cut out that piece of paper and glue that on there, but no, it's actually coming with its own sticker. And you see here for the combustion engine it's 440 kilograms. So this is the sticker that we want to put on there, and in order to prepare the surface we need some alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol, and then a little wipe. Okay, so now let's actually go here to our car, and we see immediately when we look here at the B-pillar, when we open the driver door, we see that sticker there. And the first thing we do is we're going to wipe this off a little bit with a piece of paper towel. So wipe the dirt away so that the new sticker will adhere properly. And then also here I'm using some alcohol to also really remove the rest of the dirt and grease. So really make sure the sticker sticks well. And then after we wiped it off, we're going to let it dry for a little bit so that all the alcohol can evaporate. So after about a minute, I'm going to actually open up the rear passenger door. And now this gives us a little bit more space here to get access to the existing label. And first we're going to make sure to get the right orientation. So we can easily line this by looking at that tire symbol. Both of those, the new sticker and the old sticker, should be on the top. And then we have to carefully align the new sticker here with the old one. So making sure that we're not accidentally overriding here anything else other than the existing part of the load. So only the top part of the existing sticker should be overwritten here, and the lower section that shows us the tire pressure should still be visible. Okay, so that was already it about the Safety Recall 28B for the Dodge Hornet. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.